Hi everyone, welcome to Key to Blogging, and in this video I will show you how you can increase the maximum upload file size limit in your WordPress website. So here I am using the Hostinger and they have limited the maximum upload file size to 256 MB. And if you are using Bluehost, then you probably see it like 512 MB. So if you go to the media tab and click on the add new button, it will show the maximum upload file size limit in your WordPress website. So if you want to increase it, you can either do it using a plugin or you can do it from your hosting panel. So let's check how you can do it using a plugin. So you can use a plugin like Big File Upload, or you can use a plugin like Increase Maximum Upload File Size by Imagify. So I will leave the link of these two plugins in the description. So let me just copy the name of the plugin and let's go to the WordPress dashboard. And let me just show you the upload size in this dashboard. So let's click on add new here, and as you can see, the maximum upload file size is 300 MB. So if I want to increase it, I will go to the plugin and I will click on the add new button. Now you can directly download this plugin and click on the upload button, or you can search for that plugin in WordPress. So let me just quickly search for this plugin and I will install this plugin from here. Now let's go to the settings here, and here you will see this option Big File Upload. So just click on here, and here you will see a option like this. So by default it's pick up the upload size to 300 MB. So you can increase the upload size, like let me just change it to 512 MB, or you can also change it like GB, like 1 GB or 2 GB. So let me just change it from 300 MB to 512 MB. Now let's click on save here. Now let's go to the media tab and let's click on add new here. And as you can see, the maximum upload file size is now changed to 512 MB. So in this way you can use a plugin to increase the maximum upload file size. And if you want to do it from your hosting panel, so let me just go to the Hostinger and let me just click on the PHP configuration here. And here you will see this option PHP options. Now let me just scroll down, and as you can see, you will see memory limit, post max size, and here you will see this option upload max file size, but they have limited to 256 MB. So in that case you have to contact your hosting provider to increase the upload max file size, otherwise you can't do it from your panel. So here I can change it to 128 MB or 256 MB to max. So if I want to change it to 512 MB, then I need to contact the hosting provider. So in that way, you don't have to install a plugin for that. So I hope you got the idea how to increase the maximum upload file size in your WordPress website. And if you learn something new in this video, then make sure to hit the like button and do subscribe Key to Blogging. Thank you.